Let's check out this advanced meal planner in the fitness app. It's a powerful tool and yet super simple to use, from viewing and swapping individual meals to regenerating the entire meal plan to better fit some dietary preferences you may have, and even an auto-generated grocery list to make shopping for the ingredients of all these meals super easy. So we're going to hit the fork and knife in the bottom row of icons here, and that takes us to this advanced meal planner. Now, if I've worked with you to give you a calorie and macro goal and have turned this feature on for you, then you likely have this advanced meal planner here, which is essentially a list of recipes that if you were to follow will automatically keep you within the calorie and macro goals that you're aiming for. And these recipes will change with each day. So you got 7 days here of all different recipes for you to try out. And if you don't like these recipes, you can swap them out, you can change them, and you can customize them more to what you might be interested in. So individually, you'll see this little swirly arrows. If I tap that, I can swap this meal out for anything else in this list, and I can choose anything here and it will still keep me within the calorie and macro goals for the day. And if I want to narrow this list down, in the upper right corner I hit the filters, and you have a number of different filters to choose from here, including total prep time, dietary preference, food sensitivities, or other meal tags such as Instapot recipes or slow cooker meals. I'm going to hit the back arrow. Now I'm going to get some meals that are going to fit within those parameters and still keep you within the calorie and macro goals that we've set. You can see with each meal in small letters, it says breakfast, the amount of calories, and then the prep time there. So you can see this one's 15 minutes. There's a 10-minute one. Let's say I want to do something real simple, this 5-minute one, golden milk bowl. I'm going to swap that out. So I'm going to click it and I can see what the meal involves, what it's going to include, what it takes to make it. And if that all looks good, then in the upper right corner, I can hit swap, and bam, I've now swapped that out with this meal instead. Some of these even come with a cool little video that you can watch to see kind of what it's going to take to make the meal. It's a very fast one, kind of just gives you a brief overview of what you're doing here, but you're going to see the whole process on video here. You can watch it in full. If you tap on the meal itself, and if you want to see that video again, you can tap the play button, and then same thing. We can pause that actually. And then same thing, if you want to swap that out, we have the swirly arrows in the upper right hand corner. We can tap those and we can swap that out with something else if we want. I'm going to exit out of that. I'm going to exit out. Now, let's say I wanted to say that I ate that today, that spiced shrimp pasta. So you could simply just tap 8 today and give it a second. It's going to say log to today. Done. If you want to log it to a different day, you hit the calendar right next to that. And now we're going to go into the calendar and we can select Thursday the 18th. We'll hit log to July 18th, 2024. Now, you've got 7 days of meals here. If you want to swap out the whole entire 7-day meal plan instead of just swapping out the one meal, there's the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner, and you can see Regenerate Meal Plan. And we can set it. Say you don't want 7 days. If you want to change the number of days, you can do that there. The dietary preference, we can say, let's say we're vegan, and with the exclusions there, I'm going to add in peanuts, and then I'll hit Apply, and you hit Save. And now what it's going to do is it's going to regenerate all the days of all your meals right there. So everything is now going to fall within those parameters while also still keeping me within the calorie and macro goals we set. And to top it off, you have this groceries feature here in the upper right. If I tap this little grocery basket, you can generate a grocery list for all the ingredients you'll need to make all these meals. And you can either remove individual meals from a day or remove entire days worth of meals from the grocery list that will be generated. But once you're finished selecting those, or if you just want to keep everything in there, then you just hit generate in the upper right. And now I've got a grocery list that I can go to the grocery store with and tackle this out with. And you can either get the list listed in alphabetical order, or in the upper right, if I tap these little sliders, I can hit the sort by category. And now when I come back over here, it's going to sort out between baked products, beans, beverages, all these different categories. So when I'm going around the grocery store, I can know which section I'm in, and I'm going to tackle the fruits and juices together. And as you get them, just tag them off. And once you get everything in a particular category, you'll see that now the category itself, fruits and juices, has been X'd out. So I know I'm done with that. It's a really cool interactive grocery list there, and that grocery list will stay active when you exit the app and come back in. And when you're ready to go back to the grocery store again, start back over, you can just hit uncheck all at the top, and it'll clear it out and get you all ready to check it all off again. And you can feel free to refresh this list at any time and then going through and then cycling whatever days you do or don't want to add to the list itself from this menu here. And that's the Advanced Meal Planner. Whether you use this for all of your meals or if you just want to use it to get some ideas here and there for new meals to try, it's an incredible tool to help you stay on track with your nutrition goals. And if you don't have the Advanced Meal Planner on your profile and you'd like it to be, reach out to me, hit me up, and let's schedule a session where we can talk about some nutrition goals for you. And if you have any questions or want my input on meals you're finding on this list, feel free to tap my face in the right-hand corner and I'll get back to you as soon as I'm able to. In the meantime, stay strong, stay balanced, and know that I'm here for you.